Today we're going to figure out what we're going to do with these Icicle lights. They've been wired into one plug. There's two sets of 20. We're going to separate them and see if they work. So these lights came out of the Smelly Unboxing Bundle video. You can see a link to that up there. We've also just had a run of shorts based on that video. The micro lights and the starflower lights that we've done a couple of videos on were all part of that bundle. And these are two sets of 20 Icicle lights that have been wired in together. I'm not going to plug them in. We're going to get them separated and work on them individually. What have we got on this here? It's just a Chinese tag, not much information there. The plug, giving you the description of where all the wires go and what they do and the colours. As it specifies here, it will be a green earth or green and yellow. And that's why I always tighten up the earth screw when I go into a plug, because that happens. That could have potentially caused issues. So we'll get that back in for now. Just put that back in there for now. Okay, so there's one set separated. I'm just going to quickly cinch this up. I'm not finished with this plug yet. I just want to quickly check that it's wired in the right order. So if we need to fault find, we can. Need to separate our sets, find our end bulbs if we can. Okay, here's one. Right, that one's dead. I am really annoyed. That took 15 minutes to untangle those two sets of lights. I am not happy. Anyway, recheck our plug. Right, the set is dead at the end, so the plug is wired correctly. But I'm going to give it some finesse because it's not wired how I like. Cable needs braiding, because it's unbraided towards the plug end, so I'm just basically wrapping the cables around each other. See how much exposed cable is coming out of there? I don't like that. Look how long that is. At least it's been tinned, I suppose. Trim that down a bit. Doesn't need to be that long. And put our 1 amp fuse in. So it's now braided all the way. We've got a nice little area for our cable grip to attach to. Right, dimmer plug. Our lights. These bulb holders are very unusual. These look like they're about the last set of push-in lights because they're extremely chunky, which is something I'd expect from 90s lights. So these must have been on the cusp of going to the thicker cable. Got a bulb missing. Our Icicle shades come off. Bayonet fit. These ones seem to be glued in place. We'll try another one. Yet the snow meltage part is very well attached. It doesn't come apart. Big vent holes going through where the bulb is, and at the top there, lots of heat dissipation on there. They all have this little mark on them. That must be from the mold injection process. The bayonet fit mechanism is extremely unusual. Never seen one quite like that before. And the bulb holder goes quite deep inside there. But get your bulb in the right place. I'm going to salvage some parts off the other set, as we've got several icicles missing. They may be in the bottom of the box somewhere, but we'll just throw these on for now. Somebody's been working on this set. That bulb doesn't belong. And judging by the way they wire things, throw this bulb in for now. This is quite a thick base bulb, like a Noma type bulb. I'm just throwing that in just to complete the set. The normal bulbs on the set, standard bulbs. Okay, let's see if we can find our problem bulb. Tangled again. Well, there's your problem. That'll do it. Oh, no. Set is a disaster. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 working bulbs. Complete and utter disaster. We've still got another set we can use. Complete disaster. So I'm going to end this video here and we're going to do the other set of lights. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you on the next one.